Welcome traders. There is also another episode. We're going to learn about a very simple winning strategy that works very powerful. It's going to give you a 99.99 win rate on the market. Guys, stay tuned to this particular video. If you have been losing trades, if you are a beginner, if you are an intermediate trader, you have been losing trades, you have to watch this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. There is DFA community, a very simple strategy, winning strategy. You need not to stress yourself. Okay, we're going to do everything on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame is very powerful. How to go about this particular strategy. It gives you the realization, it gives you the patience, it gives you the confidence, or it gives you the hope, or it helps you to believe in yourself and also to believe in the setup as well. So go to the 15 minutes time frame. When you go to the 15 minute time frame, we are going to use gold as our example today. We are going to use the gold chart 15 minutes time frame. You are not going anywhere. You can do one analysis from one single time frame. The one thing that you're supposed to do is that looking on my chart, we have vertical lines over there. Go to settings. When you go to settings, you go to events, then you go to section breaks. Okay, section breaks, you add that one up. Okay, when you insert the section breaks, it's going to give you, when you put the mouse on it, you can see some date over here, Monday 2nd December 11:45, 12:45, and the time intervals as well. So what we are going to do is to get a clearer picture of everything. First thing first, you're going to use what do you call it, a Monday. So the whole of this vertical lines, in between the vertical lines, goes for a whole day transaction, one day, one single day transaction, 24, let me just put it, 24 hours transaction. So in between these two vertical lines over here, is 24 hours transaction. That is Monday. Okay, what you're going to do is to mark out, to do some markings. Okay, and that is how the strategy goes. So you're going to take Monday as your first day. You're going to take Monday as your first day. So you're going to mark so this is the high of Monday. This is last week Monday. That is the high of last week Monday, and that is the low of last week Monday. So over here, what you're going to do is to check. So from here to here, let me use some arrow for you to know. So from the top here to the down here is the whole transaction day. So that is the high of Monday and that is the low of Monday. Okay, in that order. Let's move forward. Then what you are looking for, why are you marking this particular high and low of the Monday? And actually the high of the Monday and the low of the Monday is also the high and the low of the week, because it was the beginning of the week, the trading week, Monday. Okay, so what we are looking for, we are looking for a break out and fill, a failed breakout, or a breakout and failing a candle or day, transaction day. So looking at the high of the Monday and the low of the Monday, in case Tuesday, the whole of the day's transaction, there is a failed breakout. When I say failed breakout, it means the candles form outside the high of this Monday, then traded and closed. If the day closed, don't forget, the candles or price can just trade up to this particular area. Let me use some markings over here. Price can just move to this particular area, we don't care about it, and trade back and closed inside the high of the day, or sorry, the high of the Monday, and also the low of the Monday candle, or the high of the previous day and the low of the day. So in case this scenario, price traded upwards, we had a little field breakout over here. And guys, you're not going to use wicks, you're going to use candles as well. Candles. So if price traded outside the high of Monday, like this one, we have a very small failed breakout over here. So price traded above the high of the Monday and closed back. As you can see, markets traded all the way down and closed inside the range, and closed inside this particular range over here where we have just marked. So don't forget it, the whole of this horizontal black line is the high of the Monday and also the low of the Monday. So having you, or if you get this in the following day, if you see this, what you're going to do is to move. You're going to wait for price to come back to where it swept the liquidity. You're going to wait for price to come back to this particular zone where it swept liquidity before you take a reaction. What you're going to do, you're going to wait for price to just come back to this zone, sweep liquidity again. Then after sweeping, the first candle that will sweep liquidity, you jump in to sell. So as you can see, let's look at this example. We had a selling from this particular zone. After sweeping liquidity from this zone, let me delete the markup too. I selected the wrong one. So after sweeping liquidity, all that we are expecting the following day, so there is Monday, Tuesday, the following Wednesday, we are expecting sales. There is a very simple strategy. It is a day in between days trade setup. We had a massive sell from that Tuesday after price got back to the previous day, which is the Tuesday sweeping liquidity zone. We started selling from this zone. As you can see, price started falling, creating lower lows, falling massive. So Wednesday we had a massive downtrend over here, very massive downtrend. So that is a very simple strategy. It works 99.999%. Always wait for the following day. So Monday you mark the high and low of the Monday the whole day. Then Tuesday you wait for a failed breakout. Then you wait for a retest of that failed breakout zone. Then on the Wednesday or the following day you sell. If the failed breakout happened at the low of the Monday, Tuesday traded and the failed breakout happened at the low of the Monday, then Wednesday all you're going to do is to wait for price to come back to that failed breakout zone. Then you take a buy. Very simple as that. So this is the strategy that we use in our community. Very, very simple strategy. If you want more clarification, subscribe to my page and join the Telegram page, and let's talk much about this simple, powerful working strategy. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe to DFA community. See you in the next video.